2024 has been something. Usually, around this time of the year, people start to feel really down about how their year has been. मेरा भी अभी यही हाल है. It's giving main character energy for everybody else और मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपनी ही ज़िंदगी में NPC बनी बैठी हूँ. Whether you feel it or not, you are still the main character of your life and we don't throw pity parties, only petty parties. So let's pause and reflect. क्या तुम्हारा 2024 genuinely खराब था और is it just the recency bias that is making you feel like shit? देखो, दिसंबर शादी का सीज़न होता है which unfortunately also means कि ये शादी के खाने का सीज़न भी होता है. और लूज़ लहंगे में चाहे जितने हॉट लोग हो, you know that you have gained some weight. इतनी ठंडी में जिम भी कौन ही जाएगा. क्रिसमस आते आते you have zero fucks to give. Your fucks to give are on their own vacation, अलग से. So when you're feeling all chubby and lethargic and rotting in bed, ये फील होना लाजमी है कि भाई ये साल क्या बेकार था. So before we even start talking about 2025, I want us to take a moment to appreciate and acknowledge our wins for the year. I want all of you to write down 3 amazing things that have happened to you over the past year. I'll go first. I got my master's degree finally. I started working on short films finally. And 2 साल की कड़ी मेहनत के बाद I have finally found the best tiramisu in Pune. It's Murphy's, by the way. And now let's take a moment to acknowledge everything wrong that you have done over the past year and how you're planning on not repeating the same mistakes. Chances are your 2025 is going to go exactly like your 2024 unless you set some systems. आज मैं अपना पूरा system share करने जा रही हूँ, my entire life blueprint, which honestly took way too long to build. I've been using it for the past entire year and this year I was finally like, I have to launch it, I have to share it with people. Like, people could genuinely benefit from this. You can of course build it from scratch, but मैंने एक advice सुनी थी that humanity and individuals का progress तब होता है when they learn how to build on top of something that somebody else has already built. If someone else has solved a problem, you should not waste your time solving the same problem again. You should take advantage of the people that have solved that problem before you. And now it's time to face the music. What is your dream? Before we even start the journey, it is important to know the destination. Problem ये है कि because of all the things that have happened to us in the past, our misfortunes and failures, we have all these beliefs कि ये बहुत ही impractical है, I don't know how to do this, I'm too young for this, I'm too old for this, I'm too broke for this. This is called dream suppression, जहाँ पे we are not even acknowledging कि हाँ ये मेरा सपना है, this is what I really want. God put that dream in your heart for a reason. This is the topmost thing that you will see every day when you open this template. After you have figured out your dream, break it down into a list of goals that you want to achieve over the next year. But that's not enough. किसी भी video game में you have to complete a set of tasks, a series of quests before you level up or achieve some goal. That is the hero's journey. Similarly, every goal needs to be broken down into solid projects which are then broken down into actionable tasks. जैसे you complete the projects, you will see the progress bar move towards 100%. लेकिन, like in any hero's journey, detours and setbacks are expected. And the best way to overcome these is accountability. Accountability not to anyone else, but to yourself. Every morning you have to plan out your day using the daily template and every night you have to go back and fill it up. There's a habit tracker, food tracker, time tracker, to-do list. The problem nowadays is that it is very easy to fall off the wagon and very difficult to get back on it. All it takes is one bad day to start the cycle of bed rotting and doom scrolling. It can take days or even weeks for people to get out of that rut क्योंकि उस स्टेट में बाकी सारी चीज़ें इग्नोर करना बहुत आसान होता है. The daily template serves as a daily reminder to get back on track. It is important to set rituals around the system. For example, every Sunday आधे घंटे के लिए I sit down and plan the next week. Or every last Sunday of the month I plan the next month. It is during these Sunday rituals that I get the opportunity to reconnect with my goals and recommit to the process. The fun part is that once I've done this enough time, I feel confident enough in myself that I'll find my way back to the process and फिर धीरे धीरे bit by bit You start to become the person actually living the dream instead of just dreaming the dream.